A very warm greetings to all. So today we all are going to study chapter number 13, that is robotics of your textbook. So first of all we will come to the today's topic. So first we will study robot intelligence concepts. Then we will move towards robot machines in society, that how can we use robots in a society for any work. Then lastly we will study the prospects and challenges of using robots. Coming to our first topic, which is robot intelligence concepts. So robotics is a technology which focuses on the design and implementation of robot to perform tasks on behalf of humans. Robot intelligence is an interesting field which merges engineering with information technology, machine learning, biological science and psychology too. Robots machines are programmed to perform tasks just like a human would do. These tasks are performed upon receiving instructions or activate them from their inbuilt memory. Coming to our next topic, that is robots are mainly constructed with the following components. What are the components we can use for constructing the robots? So first of all, robots are powered with the batteries, solar power, hydraulic or pneumatic power sources. Secondly, they require actuators to convert energy to movements. Third, for rotational movements, electric motors are used. Pneumatic air muscles are used in robots which can contract up to 40% when air is sucked in them. Then muscles wire which are contracted up to 5% when electric current is passed through them. Then they have piezo motors and ultrasonic motors which are used in industrial robots. And lastly, sensors which are used to get real-time information. Coming to our next topic, that how we can use robotics in society. So let us discuss some areas where robots are being used to perform various tasks. First of all, in manufacturing, we can use robot in manufacturing any kind of products. So robots are used in manufacturing industries to perform tasks that do not require use of the mind creatively to take decisions. The robots are programmed to perform the tedious and repetitive tasks such as welding, assembling, painting, machine tending, machine cutting, grinding, picking and screwing objects under human supervision. For example, we have SCARA. Full form is Selective Compliance Articulated Robot Arm. It is a robotic arm having two parallel robotic joints and specialized in sidewise movement, which is used for assembling objects. Now, in health sector also we can use robots. They are used in healthcare to assist physicians in performing operations more meticulously. They are also used as prosthetic limbs for disabled patients and also provide therapy to patients. Robots can also be used by surgeons to perform complex surgery associated with heart, brain, neck and other sensitive areas. For example, Da Vinci's surgical system. It is a kind of robot which is used by surgeons in performing robotic assisted minimally invasive surgeries. Now coming to education sector. So we can use them in education sector too, as a teacher and whatever we use in kind of anything. So educational robots are helpful in enhancing strategic problem solving, higher order thinking, logical and analytical reasoning, computational thinking, teamwork and cooperative skills. Educational robots are also helpful for special children who are diagnosed with autism, attention deficit or development disorder in developing their social and communication skills. For example, Nio. It is an educational humanoid robot which is used in over 6,000 educational institutes around the world as an assist to teachers, companion of students and a moderator. Coming to the transport sector, so robots are used as the mode of transportation which has proven to be the smart automated vehicles equipped with lasers, GPS, that is global positioning systems and other technology, having the capability of driving and flying themselves. Transportation robots are used in various factories, restaurants, medical institutions and other fields to carry different kinds of goods due to their strong transport capability, advanced control technology and sensing accuracy. Some examples of robots in transportation are self-driving cars, robot buses, unpiloted planes, etc. Coming to the laboratory research sector, so laboratory robots are used in biology and chemistry labs. According to David, a business development manager with Stopley Corp, laboratory automation, pharmaceutical manufacturing and drug discovery are growing fields of robots. So robots have huge potential in these fields, from research and development to increasing throughout by speeding drugs to market at a lower cost to consumers. For example, robotic lab assistance is designed by the scientists of UK's University of Liverpool, which is used to move around the laboratory and conduct scientific experiments. Coming to our next topic, so we have another sector, that is mass production of consumer and industrial goods. So organizations are installing robots for the production of goods at a large level. These robots are used at various areas such as assembly, packaging and shipping. They incorporate integrating robotics, automated guided vehicles, computer vision, software program and other advanced technology to generate products. It involves assembly of consumer products, then automated packaging, and lastly inspection and testing. Coming to the example, so Cartesian robot is one of the commonly used industrial robots which are simple to operate and easy to program. They are capable of handling heavy loads. Coming to our last topic, that is prospects and challenges of using robots. So first one is security threat for the industrial robots. So a hacker may be able to take control of the robot and use it to cause defect to the production. They do so through disabling it with buffer overflow, using ransomware attacks to block access to data, altering the process which may disrupt the industrial processes, or gaining access to the organization's sensitive information. Secondly, challenges of using robots in education sector. So installation of robots in educational field requires increasing the overall budget. It is quite expensive to implement and maintain robots in education sector and are also highly vulnerable to cyber attacks. Coming to the next, loss of jobs. Many occupations are at risk of being automated or taken by robots, including logistics, transportation, telemarketers, tax returns, etc. Many people have already lost their earning because of these machines, which have taken their place in industries. Coming to the next, challenges of using AI, that is artificial intelligence robots in healthcare. Robotic surgeries are quite expensive as compared to normal surgeries. Also, particularly in healthcare, use of robot is a very delicate issue. If these machines make mistake, whom do you blame? In fact, according to one investigation, the Da Vinci medical robot is linked with 114 deaths. It is therefore very crucial to train medical staff to the highest degree when making use of such robots in healthcare. So that was it for today's chapter. So what's your homework? You have to revise the chapter. We will meet you soon in the next lecture. Thank you.